Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Stop picking hosting your WordPress templates because they look nice. The wrong template can make your website harder to customize, slower to build, and completely wrong for your business. So, here's how to choose one before you waste hours rebuilding it. First, match the template to the job, not the picture. A restaurant template should already have menus, locations, and booking or contact sections. A consultant needs services, testimonials, and clear calls to action. An online store needs product grids, checkout forecast layouts, and room for categories. Hosting gives you a large section of WordPress themes and templates, but the best starting point is the one whose structure already matches what you are trying to sell. Second, don't choose a template just because the homepage looks impressive. A flashy demo can contain animations, huge images, and sections you'll never use. When you import it, suddenly you have 14 sections to delete before you can even write about us. Current users on Reddit here commonly recommend treating templates as a starting point and heavily customizing them rather than leaving the demo design untouched. Third is this: check mobile before desktop. This is one of the easiest mistakes to make because a template can look gorgeous on a 27-inch monitor and absolutely chaotic on a phone. One recent hosting user specifically complained about having to fiddle with a mobile version of their website. Your customers are far more likely to encounter your homepage on a phone than admire it on your giant monitor. Fourth, think about where you are going, not just where you are starting here. Several 2026 users point out that Hostinger's website builder is easy and fast, but moving away from it later can be restrictive compared with WordPress. If you know you are eventually going to need advanced plugins, complex e-commerce, memberships, or unusual functionality, starting with WordPress and a flexible theme may save you a painful rebuild later. And here's the simplest rule: pick the template whose content structure is already 70 to 80% of what you need. Change the colors, fonts, images, and copy, but don't spend 3 days trying to turn a photography portfolio into a plumbing company's website. That's not customization anymore. That's digital home renovation. So, before clicking use template, check the layout, mobile design, required features, speed, and how easy it will be to customize. Hostinger's templates can get a good looking site online very quickly, and 2026 users still praise the platform for its ease of use, but the template is only the starting point. Pick the wrong one, and you'll spend the next 6 hours fighting it like it personally owes you money. That's it. Thank you for watching.